guys, welcome back to Zik the programming guy channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add apps on your Android phone without using any external app. So first thing you have to do is make sure you're on your home page just like this. Click down, right, and you're going to see wallpaper and style, themes, widgets, and also settings. Click on settings, right. Once you click on settings, you're going to scroll down. Once you click on once you scroll down, you're going to see apps on home and app screens. Click on that. Once you click on that, you can just actually click on the app you want to hide. So for example, let's say I want to hide dollar. So I'm going to click on that and click on done. So once you click on that, you're not going to find it anywhere again. So you have successfully hide your app or any app. And make sure once you're trying to hide an app is for a very good reason and you're not doing it on someone else's phone. So once you're done and you want to unhide it, you can still follow the same procedure and unhide the app as well. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.